I'm Jeni Smith, CND EA, and in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to recreate this cosmic design. Now, as usual, I've already performed PEP and applied and cured my first layer, and here I'm applying my second layer of CND Shellac in Alpine Plum. Once I'm happy with my coverage, I will cure this in the CND LED lamp for 1 minute. I'm then going to take my Yours Loves DYD08 stamping plate and using CND Creative Play Black and Forth, I'm applying the polish to the design and scraping off, leaving the image behind, and using the halo stamper I will pick up this image. Here I'm just taking a cotton pad saturated with Scrub Fresh to remove any excess design that I don't want, before lining this up with the nail, positioning it where I'm wanting it, and pressing and rolling from side to side. I want this image dead center, vertically center on that nail. The next thing I'm going to do is seal in this image with CND Shellac Matte Top Coat, as I want the whole design to be completely matte, other than the design element that we're going to be putting over the top. So while this is curing in this LED lamp, I'm going to take some Express 5 top coat and Lecente Tiger Lily glitter and make a paste. I'm just using the back of the halo stamper as my tablet or tile, so when you're happy with the consistency of your paste, I'm using the D2 brush here. We are going to apply this to the triangles and circle images. So I've already applied the bottom circles, and now I'm just going to finish by applying this glitter paste to the large black triangle. I'm not applying the glitter paste to the inner triangle, as I don't feel it needs it. So I'm just positioning the glitter where I want it, making sure that it's nice and neat within that triangle shape. And then when I'm happy with that, I will cure that again in the CND LED lamp for 1 minute. Take your time and really neaten these areas up. After this has cured, I will decant some original top coat out onto the halo stamper and then create a dome effect over all of the glittered areas. This just adds a little bit more embellishment to the nail and makes it 3D. Also, the top coat really allows that glitter to shine through, so it looks really ethereal. Yeah, ethereal. Good word. It has a lot of movement and a lot of depth to it. And again, once you're happy with your positioning of the top coat over the top and the domed effect that you're going to create, cure this in the CND LED lamp for 1 minute. So make sure you're checking this now from side to side, and that you're also looking at the side profile view to make sure that the dome's high enough for you. Once cured, remove from the lamp, and using a pad saturated with 99% isopropyl alcohol or disperse, you're going to remove the top film. And here you can see the raised elements of this design. Hope you've enjoyed. Thanks for watching. Take care.